to 19 Elmley Street here in Markham. This is a wonderful community, Markham Village. You're close to everything. You can get to Main Street in minutes with cafes and restaurants and shopping. You've got Markham Stouffville Hospital steps away, a wonderful park nearby, and you've got easy access to transit options like the bus terminal nearby or the GO train. You also can access the 407 to get anywhere throughout the GTA. Inside this beautiful home, we have just under 2,400 square feet. You've got a very spacious living and dining room with newer laminate floor. You've got an eat-in kitchen, a main floor family room with a fireplace and a walkout to the patio. Upstairs, we have 4 spacious bedrooms. The primary bedroom has its own ensuite and walk-in closet. And you've got an additional bathroom upstairs, as well as a 2-piece on the main floor and a main floor laundry room. The basement is unspoiled, so you can do what you want with the basement. The backyard is wonderful for hosting those gatherings. It's a large property and a fully fenced backyard. Come inside and take a look.